Guys,
Hi
welcome to our channel.
Yeah.
Remember to subscribe, thumbs up if you like it. This is Bella,
This is Daddy.
and today, what are we doing?
We gotta go buy a toy for me.
Toy for you? We gotta find it first.
I
You wanna play? You wanna play though? Okay, I'm gonna go pick a toy. You find it, and then if you win, then you can pick a toy. Okay? And you stay here. You stay here. I'm gonna go pick a toy. No, you can't see it. It's cheating. Okay, you stay here. You stay with her. Okay, I'm gonna go pick a toy.
Oh, yes.
See, what should I pick? Pick something. Oh, here it is. Olaf. I picked this guy. This guy, see if she can find it. Alright, come on, let's go. There they are. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. You ready? It's white.
It is white.
Yes, it's white.
A ducky.
Huh?
It's a ducky.
No. Question number 2.
What is it?
What is it? It's a toy. You had to go find it. No, it's not a Play-Doh. That's question number 2. No. Question number 3. You got 2 more questions. I give you 2 more questions.
What did it say?
This is. It says, I'm a snowman.
I don't remember.
No, it's not Play-Doh. That one says Play-Doh.
Is it Play-Doh?
It's not Play-Doh. It's a big old clue. That. Where? Where? That one? No. That's not it.
What's that? What is it?
No, not that one. That's too big. No. You give up? You give up?
It's close.
Yep, you're getting closer.
Closer.
Huh? No, not that one. You give up?
Yeah, where is it?
Come on. I'll show you where it is. Right here, Olaf.
I love
The other one's too big. Okay, you ready for your turn?
Yeah.
Okay, you go take mommy with you.
Why?
If I go with you, then I'll see what toy you pick. Okay, I stay here, you go.
No, the dog will say you.
No. Mommy.
I know. Because no. This one. It's like it right here. Wait. Daddy and Dad.
You guys ready? What color is it?
Pink and blue.
Oh, pink and blue? Is it in this aisle? Is it in this aisle? No, I don't think it's in this aisle, but I can't really. I got some help. Pink and blue.
Yeah.
What can it do?
It's have an ice cream cone.
Oh, what? Pretty big blue.
It's a little blue.
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone.
Have ice cream cone.
It's close. Right by.
Ice cream cone.
Wait a second. Really close. Right. Right here. Just right here.
Oh!
And now
Big
that's
blue.
right here. There's a bun here.
This one? Hey, why you hiding in here? Yeah, I'm not gonna find it. Hide it back here. She's hiding back there, behind the Play-Doh. There's no way I can find it.
It's my turn.
So you lose, and then I lose. Okay,
Yay!
let's play, okay. Yeah, you lose. You don't get no toy. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Here. You want this one? No, that's a toy, but you can't play with it. Okay, let's go pick up your toy.
Yay! Go. Go pick up my toy.
No, not that one. Where you go? Point to it.
Here!
You want that one? Show it to the camera. Can't see your face. Okay. You're gonna say goodbye to fans, okay?
Bye, friends.
I love you.
I love you.
Hey, come on,
I
Bella.
love you.
Okay, bye bye.